Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oxygen tank nursing. Attach the regulator slowly, open the valve, set prescribed flow, and confirm flow meter movement. Prepare the nasal cannula or mask, position tubing without kinks, and fit the device comfortably. Monitor patient SpO2 and breathing, reassess after position changes, and have a backup tank ready. Call for help if you are uncertain about any step immediately. Start by moving the tank with a cart and securing it upright on a stable surface. Check the regulator, pressure gauge, and cylinder label for correct contents and expiry. Attach the regulator by hand tightening the nut, open valve slowly, and verify flow meter movement. Fit the nasal cannula or mask, set prescribed liters per minute, and confirm oxygen feels steady at the patient's nose while watching saturation and breathing comfort. Regularly monitor oxygen saturation, respiratory rate, and patient comfort while the tank is in use. Observe tubing for kinks, check for leaks at connections, and ensure humidification when flow exceeds 4 lpm if ordered. Keep tanks away from heat, open flames, and oil-based products, and post no smoking signs. Teach caregivers to change tanks safely, store backups, and call clinicians for sustained desaturation or device alarms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.